I don't care what they say pag tayo ang magkasama. Happy together kahit na wala akong pera. You feel me important sa bawat oras na lumipas. Daig ko pa ang scientist, si Isaac at Thomas. Hindi ako astronomer but a living star. Pag ikaw kasama ko, I fall like a star. You made my day complete at wala nang ihigit. Kaya mga kasama ko, they feel so inggit, so true.
Never find like you kasi ikaw ay unique. I love the sweetest you kahit na sobrang ang kulit. But you never regret kasi masaya ko sa'yo. Wala nang iwanan, so promise me, pangako na you'll treat me like a king and you are my queen. I love you baby boo and I show you what I mean. The rest of our life, tayo pa rin dalawa, magkasamang masaya at anak lima-lima.
Parang ako'y nasa heaven, may kasama na angel. Hindi nakakasawang tingnan, kaya'y napapahel. So well, I cannot forget your pretty smile. Even though in my dreams, you were still fine. And I wake, I touch your face in the morning light. Being with you, so feel so right. Na ikaw makakasama ko pang habang buhay. At dahil sa kabaitan, di kakain ng gulay.